Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Bright Eye here, and today we are at the Jamestown Fishing Harbour. On this day, every road in Accra Central leads to this place, the newly constructed Jamestown Fishing Harbour, which is being commissioned by His Excellency the President Nana Addo Akofo. So these are the chiefs of the community and their warriors making their way to the premises. And later in this video, I'm going to give you an aerial view of the whole fishing harbor. So kindly stay tuned, and if you haven't subscribed already, do well to subscribe and also like the video so it is suggested to more viewers like yourselves. So these are some of the chiefs of the Ga community and also the officials of GAPOHA, which is the Ghana Ports and Harbour Authority. And I think that is their van with the blue and yellow painting. So as you can see, the place is heavily guarded with the Ghana police force, and later on the president is going to make his way to the premises. So you may be wondering why these warriors are firing gunshots in the middle of the crowd, thinking it may be dangerous, but I want you to know that it is totally safe because it is just gunpowder that they use. They don't use live bullets. The Ga community is full of rich culture, and that is one thing that I love about the Ga people. So now let's talk a little bit about the harbor itself and also show you an aerial view of it. The Jamestown Fishing Harbour project has been successfully completed and is being commissioned by the President of the country, His Excellency Nana Addo Akofo. The project, which includes dredging about 100,000 cubic meters of harbour basin, construction of hydraulic structures about 1,251 meters, and the construction area of management, which are office buildings, trading markets, cold storage, processing areas, commercial areas, and other production and supporting facilities, making up to 12,644 cubic meters. This project has been under construction since August 2020, but finally it has been commissioned and is ready to serve the good people of the Ga community. So as you can see, this is the entrance of the harbour, where you can see a monument that looks like the iconic lighthouse right here in Jamestown. So this is the event ground where His Excellency the President is going to give a speech and also host the various chiefs of the Ga community. So comparing this newly constructed ultra-modern harbour to the previous one, there has been massive improvement, because the last time that I was here was back in 2018 and the place was a mess. When immediately you alight from your vehicle at the lighthouse, you had to walk straight to the beach to purchase your fish from the fishermen and the traders over there. But now it looks like a very decent place where business can be conducted so easily. and I think it is a great thing for the Ga community. And now that they have a car park right at the center of the harbor, I think it will be easier for people who will be bringing their cars inside. Because back then you would have to park outside or by the main road and walk inside. And now it looks like there is a very big car park, and that is a very big thumbs up to the president and the government. Now that we are approaching an end of this video, enjoy a 360 view of the lighthouse as well as the vibrant community of Jamestown. And also do well to hit that subscribe button if you haven't done that already. Until I see you in the next one, stay safe and be awesome.